seen this post?
The button.
Which
the
one?
arrow.
That's horrible. And then all the cells die in your stomach and it gets detoxified by your...
Good morning. Happy Monday. It is MLK Day, so we have the day off. And instead of sleeping in, my friends and I decided to go on a winter hike today. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I couldn't find my weatherproof pants or whatever that I like to wear when I do these things. And I think it's vacuum packed and sealed in some kind of container somewhere in the closet. So we're going to just try out a couple layers of leggings today and see what happens. Anyway, he's excited to hike. Me. How are we feeling?
Cold. My hat's too big. I can't
Like
see.
all my fluids are coming out of my nose.
I can't walk under my hat. I feel like...
We're almost there. Actually, are we even almost there?
No,
We just started.
Open road.
I never realized this before, but
What?
the numb thigh.
Yeah.
It feels like it's doing lots of training with spasms. You're cold. We're on fire. And out of breath.
I have a beard.
Nice beard. Whew, I'm gonna fall off this edge. Uh-oh. What a green eye.
Blue eyes are the most sensitive to light.
Fun mountain. Powder. Oh no.
Yeah, there's not a lot of people.
How are we feeling, folks?
Much better.
Downhill is the way to go. Hello. Congrats. Perry, you're struggling.
I can't get the car.
Wait, let me see it.
Just press the button.
Which
the
one?
arrow.
This one?
You can do it.
Try the door.
We're getting warmth from Maddie's
Just
hands.
the fingertips. Just the fingertips.
Just the tip. Oh my god. Because Maddie is naturally super warm.
Only when I exercise.
Oh my god. Okay, so we. Oh, I look like a mess. I'm red. Yeah, so we climbed up this mountain. It was cold, it was sweaty, but it was worth it.
Yes.
And now we're rolling out. Bye. Bitch better have my money.